Bomberman.
Mig Bomberman traveled to the place of sand, to the place of mountains, to the beautiful lighting city, to the capital of casino, Las Vegas.
Hey, what's up guys? Today I say welcome from the city of lights and the capital of the world, casino! And the reason we are here in Las Vegas, it's because of I want to win $1 million. You can do it! I will bet all my coins on the black color, and Jim will bet everything on the red one. All right, man, spin the wheel, and black,
Red,
black,
red,
black,
red,
black,
red,
black, black. Oh my God! Damn it! Relax, it's okay.
I'm
It's
destroying
okay.
this place.
Come on, calm down. No way! I want to calm down, all of you guys, because don't worry, nobody was hurt, nobody was damaged, and no casino was exploded. Everything went fine.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
This is just was for fun, and this idea to explode some things from casino and even in Las Vegas was suggested by one of our subscriber, Thomas.
Hello Mick, I'm a big fan of you. Greetings from Las Vegas, baby. Whoa! And I think the Vegas is the capital of casino, and greetings from there. Okay, because I'm today in casino, I want to ask you to blow a deck of cards. If it is possible, show me.
Here we are coming to the main explosion from the right corner, and the explosion comes here. Take a look. Whoa! All the coins are flying, all the cards are flying as well. Some of the coins were split in many parts. Oh my god, such a huge explosion, so much power and smoke around. Oh my god, that was really awesome. Wow, I didn't expect it, for sure. Let's go to the camera number 2 from the straight angle, and here we will see the next step of explosions. Let's see. Wow, great! Yeah, all the coins were split in many parts and the cards flew away. Well, of course, so much smoke around. Of course, I used too much power for explosion capsule. But well, it's okay, nothing left at all. All the cards and everything blow up in a very strong way.
Jim, how are you? How do you feel, man?
Fine. You say bet to red, bet to black. It will be okay, yeah? I'm lost on my mind. What the fuck? Lost my mind. I'm very good feeling.
Mig. Bomberman.
Welcome to Mig Bomberman channel. Most of chocolate are eaten, but some of them are exploded. That's why Mig Bomberman will explode today. Mr. Beast Chocolate Yacht.
Hello my friends, today I say welcome from Mr. Beast Chocolate Yacht! This idea to make this Mr. Beast Chocolate Yacht and explode it was offered by one of our subscribers, Alex.
Hello Mick, my name is Alex. I'm a big fan of your channel.
Could you... I have an idea for you. Could you explode some Mr. Beast chocolate next time? Thank you.
Because of we did really great chocolate yacht, we decided to explode it. But well, because it was really cool yacht, we decided first of all just to go on vacation on the hell? Jim, what happened? And in the end, we constructed such a big piece of shit. It's nothing worth at all. So, in the end, we decided to explode it anyway.
Here we have our Mr. Beast chocolate yacht. So you can take a view from different corners, how it looks like from one side and another one. And much chocolate was used for these ones. Actually 25 pieces of chocolate with all the dishes and all the taste. And here is camera number 1. You can take a look, the first explosion from the right corner. Oh, amazing, amazing, so much chocolate went up. Wow, great, really great explosion. So many pieces of chocolate left. Okay, camera number 2, we can take it from the center angle, and explosion goes. Wow, this corner was amazing, really nice one. You can take a look how water goes up. Yeah, so many pieces going to the down under the water. Yeah, and yeah, the camera was totally wet as well. And here is camera number 2, that it's the, how to say, yeah, it's the slowest one, but we lost the first second, but it's okay. You can take a look of this explosion and all the pieces of chocolate, some of them flying up, some of them landing down, and milk chocolate is landing, and that chocolate with some of the nuts is still flying.
Bomberman.
Wow, and the water goes up and it's still flying. Nice, that was the good angle and very nice view, right?
This is the first time in the history Mr. Beast chocolate was exploded. Yes, for sure. Mr. Beast chocolate was exploded, and not just only how to say in a simple way, but chocolate, yeah. Mr. Beast chocolate, yeah, was exploded first time in his life. So you can send him a message that there is no chocolate left at all, and his chocolate was totally destroyed. So guys, take a look and enjoy the view. What do we have here? Nothing, totally nothing. So let's watch it once again.
Meet Bomberman.